Window Division is its own entity within Heritage. What I am here to do is to train, to educate sales staff. All exterior companies, all contractors really install windows, but nobody really has a specific window division tailored just for the customer to make sure that their experience is stellar. The new construction window, which has a nailing film, ultimately that is probably 90% of the installs. And then there's another installation technique called inserts. If you have an old house with beautiful immaculate woodwork on the inside, the old style window, we can come in and put a new window in that existing frame, providing everything is okay with that frame. And essentially you have a new window. Energy efficiency, curb appeal. There's more technical things like doing A-class packages to prevent fading. Changing the design of one window can totally change the whole feel of the interior. Energy efficiency is part of it, but also just how you feel about your space. We're here to help the customer suit their needs. Heritage has been here for a long time, and they're not going anywhere.